Have you ever wondered how your computer truly manages its memory? Today, we're diving deep into a fundamental concept: segment registers. Get ready to unlock the secrets of your computer's internal workings. So, what exactly are segment registers? Imagine them as special pointers inside your computer's central processing unit, or CPU. They don't hold the actual data, but rather they point to the starting locations of different blocks of memory, known as segments. These registers were absolutely crucial for how computers handled memory in older architectures like the x86. But why do we even need them? Well, they're all about organization and safety. Segment registers help your computer organize its vast memory into smaller, more manageable logical blocks. This allows different parts of a program to access their specific memory areas without stepping on each other's toes, which is super important for multitasking and keeping your program stable. First up is the code segment, or CS. Think of CS as the keeper of your program's instruction manual. It holds the address of the memory segment where all the executable instructions, the steps your computer needs to follow, are stored. When your CPU needs to perform an action, it looks to the address defined by the code segment. Next, we have the data segment, or DS. As the name suggests, DS points to the segment where all your program's data variables live. This includes things like global variables and static variables that your program uses throughout its execution. It's like the program's dedicated storage room for all its important information. Then there's the stack segment, or SS. The stack is a super important, temporary storage area. SS defines the segment where this stack resides. It's used to hold things like local variables when a function runs, and crucially, the return addresses so your program knows where to go back to after a function finishes. Imagine it like a pile of plates, where you add and remove items one on top of the other. Finally, we have the extra segments, ES, FS, and GS. These are like your program's versatile utility belts. They are general-purpose segment registers that can point to additional data segments. They provide extra flexibility, especially useful for complex operations like manipulating long strings of text or handling multiple data buffers simultaneously. So, how do all these pieces work together? Segment registers don't give you the exact memory spot by themselves. Instead, they work with something called an offset address. Together, the segment register and the offset create a logical address, which the CPU then translates into a physical address that points to the actual location in your computer's RAM. This system simplifies how programmers deal with memory. And that wraps up our dive into segment registers. We hope this explanation made a complex topic much easier to understand. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more simplified tech insights, and let us know in the comments what other tricky tech concepts you'd like us to explain next.